Well, raise your hand if you're a fan of a shrimp stir fry. Me, I love it, not only because it's delicious, but it is so quick and simple to make. You will have the perfect shrimp stir fry from the comfort of your home and lower bottom dollar compared to going to a restaurant. Just a few simple ingredients. Let's get to cooking. I'm gonna show you how. The great thing about this recipe is you can virtually use any type of vegetable you want to. I just happen to have a frozen veg medley in my freezer, so it's got broccoli, it's got carrots, some mushrooms, some green peas in it. But again, whatever you have in your freezer will work just fine. You're gonna lay that down on your griddle. I'm gonna take my water, and then I'm gonna dome it off. I'm gonna come back to this in just a second. I'm gonna add my seasonings, but it's gonna take a while, so you don't wanna put your shrimp on just yet. I'm gonna add a little bit of our Blackstone citrus garlic mojo seasoning. So good. You're probably gonna wanna use just enough to where it completely has covered all of the shrimp. Our veggies have had some time to steam up. Really doesn't take long at all. We're gonna go ahead and throw some seasoning, some sauces on there. All you need is a little bit of soy sauce. Now, I love using low sodium just simply because it's a little healthier, one, and two, well, low sodium. It's just better for you. I also have this ponzu sauce. This is my ultimate favorite Asian sauce. If you've never had that, it's basically like a citrusy sauce that you would put on your Asian stir fries. Even your sushi, this goes great with. Then last but certainly not least, I'm going to use Bachan's original barbecue sauce. These vegetables, when I tell you they cook so quick, they really do. You want to keep an eye on them though, because you don't want them to overcook before the shrimp can even get on here. Also, we have sugars in our sauces, so we really do not want them to burn. Let's go ahead and dome it again, and then we're gonna go ahead and get our shrimp on. A little bit of olive oil here. You can add more seasoning as you go if you wish, but remember, you don't want your shrimp to overcook. Overcooked shrimp is no good. It gets very rubbery and it's just tough. It's not very good at all. Take your garlic, by the way. You don't want to forget your garlic. I like to add this to the shrimp as it's cooking. Look, I'm too busy to go grab a spoon, so I'm just gonna use my knife. Just about 2 cloves on there. Mix this back up. This is the point where I add a little bit more seasoning to my shrimp. There we go, mix it back up. These are looking almost done. They're looking delicious. We gotta come over here. We're gonna talk about the noodles. Now, these are already done. I don't got time to go boil some noodles, so I just bought some already done. These noodles are gonna sit on here for just a second. We're gonna check on our vegetables, start adding some more flavor to it with some soy sauce again. Little bit more soy sauce here on the noodles. Can't forget those noodles need a really good flavor to them. Now at this point, you are going to want to start divvying up your noodles. Just like this, they should start to really fall apart. And then we can go ahead and mix the vegetables with the noodles. Look how beautiful that looks. This is all coming together within a matter of minutes. We need a couple more minutes for the shrimp to cook. While that's cooking though, we are gonna wanna go ahead and turn down our noodles on low so we don't overcook that. And then while that's settling, we're gonna go ahead and chop our green onions. The shrimp is done. Now it's time to mix it all up because it is a stir fry. You just stir it all together. We're going family style on this plating. I just tossed everything on a big old plate for the family to dig in. You're gonna put everything on the plate, and all you're gonna do is top it off with your green onions here, a little bit of sesame seeds, and don't forget the chopsticks, or not. My husband, he won't use the chopsticks, but I am today, so we're gonna dig in. Here we go. Gotta get all of it, you know? Oh, we got a rolling shrimp. Rolling shrimp. I didn't even get a shrimp with that bite. I gotta go back in. That was so delicious, y'all. This is such a budget-friendly meal, whether it's for a slew of people that are coming over to your household or just your small little family you have. It's perfect trust me, at the end of the day, there's just some things you gotta remember. You wanna keep it quick, you wanna keep it simple, and most importantly, you gotta keep it delicious. I'm Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. I'm going back in.